Today the topic of discussion is we'll study singly linked list and we'll study search function. So prior to this we have discussed how to create a linked list. No, we have discussed and what is the menu, how to create a menu of a linked list, and then we have studied how to print element of the linked list. Fine, and then we have studied insert, how to insert element in a linked list. There we have studied three part: insert beginning, insert mid, and insert end. And then we studied how to delete node from linked list. Again we have studied three part, that is delete beginning, delete mid, and delete end. And today now we are going to study how to search an element in the linked list, that whether that element exists in a linked list or not, and we are studying single linked list. So let's start. So we have a linked list and we have a menu. Fine. So again I'll explain you the menu, and before explaining this, I request you to kindly watch the first video of create. That will make you understand how create function is actually working. Fine. Okay, let's start with this main function. Okay, main, you have a variable ch. While one means what? Condition always true. Condition always true, because anything other than 0 is always true. 1 is true. So condition true, it's giving an option that 1 is for create, 2 is for print, 3 is for insert, 4 is for delete, 5 is for search, 6 if you want to exist. Enter your choice. This is similar fashion when you go to restaurant and you have a menu where you get one for this dish, two this, three this dish, and you just say bring fourth number dish or fifth number dish. In a similar fashion, now your job, you did this, you already did this one also and this one also. Now your job is to search the element in the linked list. So you will press 5 because it's asking enter the choice. You pressed 5, it will, switch will have 5, it will jump to case 5, and case 1, case 5, we are calling a search function. So when we are calling a search function, it will jump to the search function. Fine. So here you have a search function and we have created a pointer ptr which is initialized with head, and this ptr is of type node1. Now main question is, what is node1? Again and again and again I'm telling you, kindly watch the first video, that will make you understand what node1 is all about. But again I'm trying to tell you what node1 is. So here we have, first of all, a linked list cannot be created without this structure. I've created a structure of a linked list, that is struct node, having two part. One is data, which is of integer part. One is address pointer, which is of node type. No, struct node type. This is self-referential structure because this address is address of a node, and which node is of type struct node. And we have created a variable node1 of this structure, and we have type defined it. Type defined means what? We now the entire structure is represented by node1. No, by using type def I can use node1 instead of writing struct node every time. I'll use only node1. Fine. So if I have not used type def, then I have to write struct node every time. Fine. So here we have created a ptr and initialized it with head. Fine. Okay. Then we have a variable item, we have a variable flag which I have initialized with a 0. Then let's see the linked list. You have a linked list. Suppose you have a linked list and which is in front of you, where first node is having element 5, and the name of node is head, having address 100, and the last node is tail, having value 10 and address is 600. Fine. Okay, so this is what linked list you have, and you have to search the element. Suppose you want to search 9. Suppose you want to search 9. So what? Enter the element to search what you want to search. So I want to search 9, so this item variable will have 9. So I'm using this variable item, and which is having a value 9. Fine. Okay, now comes, I have to travel this linked list. I have to traverse this linked list from this position to this position. And for traversing, I've already shown you the loop. If you see my print function video, then there I've used this loop. This PTR. I've created this PTR. So this PTR is starting from head, which I've already initialized with head. So till PTR not equal to null, what we have to do, we have to increment ptr, we have to move ptr to the next node. Fine. Okay, meanwhile we have to do this part. So let ptr is equal to head, what is there in head? 100. So ptr will come here to the 100 node. Fine. Okay, is ptr not equal to null? Definitely ptr is not null because there is 100 in ptr. Condition true, condition become true, it will go inside. Okay, it will check, is ptr data equal to item? PTR data is 5, and what is there in item 9? No, condition becomes what? False. Condition become false, it will not go inside. Fine. And it will directly come and increment. It will directly come and increment what for loop. PTR is equal to PTR ka next. PTR will have PTR next value. What is PTR next? 200. PTR will jump from this place to this place. Fine. It will again check the condition. Is PTR not equal to null? Yes, PTR not equal to null because PTR is having value 200. Condition become true. It will go inside. It will again check is PTR data. What is PTR data now? 6 is equal to item. What is there in item? 9. No, 6 is not equal to. Condition become false. It will come out. Again, it will increment PTR. So PTR will have new value. PTR is equal to PTR next. So what is PTR next? 300. PTR will come from this place to 300. This will be the new value of PTR. Fine. Okay. Now, again, it will check is PTR not equal to null? Yes, PTR is not null because PTR is having 300. Condition becomes true, it go inside, it check PTR data is equal to item. What is PTR data? 7. And what is there in item? 9. No, it's not equal. Condition become false, it will not go inside the if block. It will come out and it will again increment PTR. PTR is equal to PTR next. So what is PTR next? 500. So it will move to the node 500. It will again check is PTR not equal to null? Yes, PTR not equal to null because PTR is 500. It will go inside and check is PTR data. What is PTR data? 9 is equal to item. Yes, now PTR data is equal to item. Condition becomes true. When the condition becomes true, I'll initialize flag with 1. So what flag becomes? Flag become 1. This flag which was 0 now become 1 and break. Break means I'll come out of the loop. I'll come out of the loop. I'll come out of the loop and I'll check is flag equal to 1? Yes, flag has become 1. So what I'll print? Element found. Yes, definitely. If you are searching 9, you have found 9. Now suppose if you are searching 11. Okay, so till here you have reached. Till here you have reached. Is PTR data is equal to item? What is PTR data? 9 and is equal to item 11. No, it's not equal. Condition again becomes false. You will not go inside the loop. You will not go inside the if block. You will come out. You will increment what? You will increment PTR. So PTR will have PTR next. What is PTR next? 600. So PTR will come to the node 600 which is tail. PTR will come here. It will check PTR not equal to null. Yes, condition true. PTR is not equal to null because PTR is 600. Now you will check is PTR data equal to item. What is PTR data? 10. And what is item? 11. No, it's not equal. Condition become false. Again you will not go inside. You will increment PTR. So PTR will have PTR. So what you will do? PTR will have PTR next. So what is PTR next? Null. Excuse me. So PTR next will have null. Again you will check is PTR not equal to null? PTR is equal to null. Condition becomes false now. The moment condition becomes false, you come out of the if for loop. You come out of the for loop and you will check is flag is equal to 1? No, flag is not 1 because you have never ever entered inside if, because and flag remains 0. Flag remains 0 because when you were searching 9, then you have entered one time and flag become 1. But when you were searching 11, you have not got a chance to enter inside this if, and because of that flag was always remain 0. So is flag is equal to 1? No. So you will go to the else part and you will print element not found, which is absolutely correct. There is no 11 in the linked list. Fine. So this was all about how to search element in the linked list.